welcome back to our channel. In this video you are going to see bubble sort part 2. But what do you think about bubble sort? What we have discussed, that is only nothing but the basic thing. So now we are going to make it somewhat complexity efficient. Hope you understand. We are making the time taking process little bit slow when compared to previous one. So without any delay, let's start the video, guys. Now if you carefully observe here, in bubble sort we did the basic programming, like number of elements will be 5 and passes will be 5 minus 1, that is nothing but 4. And we took simply two for loops, and we will replace if the element is greater than the first one, or the first element is greater than the second element, means we are doing swapping, right? So if you take this as example, okay, if you take this example, in first pass it is so many swappings are present, okay, so many swappings are present, like 5 replaces and 4 replaces there itself, and 5 and 3, 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 2 and 5. Again guys, here also in the second pass 4 is swapped, okay, and here a 3 is swapped. So if you carefully observe here, for each and every passes in 1, 2, 3, there are some swappings majorly. But if you carefully observe in fourth one, you can see that there is no pass. Okay, only first 1 and 2 are getting replaced. After that, there will be no swappings. Don't you think here there is a waste of time and iterations? Got the point, right? 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. If you take these examples, these elements as examples, so only one swapping has been done. That is nothing but 1 and 2, isn't it? So after that 3, 4, 5, like 3 more iterations are getting delay, or waste of doing those iterations. So in that case what happens means we will follow this logic. Okay, what is that, sir, or what is that, bro? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, let me take this green in color. Okay, yeah, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, right? So what we can do means I will tell one logic, okay, or okay, let me explain first. Okay, we are comparing these two. Okay, swapping should be done or should not be done? Pause the video and guess. See, swapping should be done because 2 is greater than 1. So what may be the next array, sorry, next yeah, next array? It will be after swapping 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Okay, how many passes it should be? N minus 1 passes. But how many passes happened? Only one. So I will write a logic, okay? You see that, and after that confirm. I will start this for loop from 0, and I will end it to n minus 1. And after that too also, I take this j second inner loop from j, and I will not stop at n minus 1. I will stop at what, that particular array dot length minus I minus 1. Okay, guys, if you carefully observe here, what is the ith value here? Ith value, that is nothing but what it is. Actually, if you think it is the first pass as 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. Okay, let it be fourth pass, okay? Not index based. just it is be like a fourth pass. So if I equals to 4, okay, that is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4. And j equals to, what is j? It should start from 0 and end with what? What is the array of length? That is nothing but 5, right? 5 minus, what is the I? I here, sorry, first it is 0, right? Here also it is 0. Okay, then here pause the video and tell. Minus 0 minus, what is the next thing? That is nothing but 1. So how much it will be? 5 minus 1, 4, isn't it? Correct, right? So I am doing this 0 to 4 in the sense of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it, right? And it is not equals to, okay, um, it should stop, for example, okay, let me trace this, and I will do swap only whenever there is the first element greater than the second one, right? So now what I will do is I will take a simple thing that is nothing but swapped. Swapped, for initially it will be false. Okay, false. And later on, if swapping, if swapping has been done, swapping done means, okay, I will take that particular swapped will be true. And uh, it will be, it will be like be after outer for loop, for each outer for loop. And inner for loop. Okay, okay guys. So after inner loop na, I will check again if swapping happened or not. If swapped, that particular uh, element is stay the, like that only means I will, okay, I am checking whether if that swapped value is false or not. Okay, if it is false means no problem. If it is true, okay, if a swapping happens means, sorry, if swapping doesn't happens, if it is stay like that only means I will break that, which loop? Outer loop. Okay guys, you may get confused. Okay, no problem. After getting that what I can say, that practical execution, you will get to know. Okay, let's try for that. Bubble set, basic bubble set. So what we have discussed, we are going to execute it now. What I told, okay, let me open that particular paint. Okay, parallelly we will do it. So guys, here you can see what we have discussed, what are all the changes. The second for loop, we are going to stop at array dot length minus I minus 1, and we are going to use swapped. Initially it will be false. Okay, and swapping if done means it's true. We are checking whether it is false or not. If it is, we need to break. Okay, so guys, what is the first thing? For each and every loop, we are going to create one variable called swapped. It should be false initially, I am about speaking, sorry, false, correct, right? Okay, then after that, if swapping happens means what we need to do, that is nothing but swapped happened, right? So it should be true. Okay, and I said one condition, the second loop will should be end at array dot length dot minus 1. Guys, if you carefully observe the second for loop or inner for loop carefully, this one, okay, this one I am speaking about, especially in that where should stop, that is nothing but j is less than array dot length minus I minus 1. Here what happens means we no need to check for the last, see here, this last element, you can see the cursor, right? Okay, you can see the cursor here, right? Fifth element no need to check, 4 and 5 no need to check, 3 4 5 no need to check. Here what happens means in inner loop also the number of iterations would be decreased, because why need to check, because it is bubble set, right? For each and every pass the element will be bubbled at the last or uh, first, based upon the ascending or descending orders we are doing, right? So no need to check for last elements. Okay, so here that's why I used array dot length dot I minus 1 minus I minus 1. So if you take here 5 minus 1 minus 0, okay, we are not going to take this, and after this these two we will negate, and after these three. So hope you got the point. Let me write the code now. Yeah, already done. Okay, what is the last thing we need to discuss about? That is nothing but if swapping happens means, sorry, if swapping doesn't happens means we need to break the outer for loop. So we will do that. Okay, this is the outer for loop, right? Yeah, inside we will check with condition whether that particular swapped is still like that only. If no need to swap only once again, so simply we will break it, isn't it? Think, if I run the code, what is the output we are getting? It is taking time actually. Yeah, we are getting the output 1 2 3 4 4 5 31. Okay, we will try with another input, that is nothing but this. Okay, 5 4 1 and 3. Yeah, we are getting 1 3 4 5. Okay guys, thanks for your support. We are continuing the DSA series day by day, but we are taking some breaks. Sorry for that, and nothing, that's all. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's learn together. Have a good learning, guys.